What is all this? Look, I am not going for any vacation with your father. Let him allow me go to Abuja and relax there than leaving the country without setting my eyes on you. Yes, that's what I said. I am sick and tired of trying to understand rules in this palace. That is what I said. Bye. For how long will you continue to be like this? Mother, please. You and father are making this look like my brother is dead and gone. Mom. Mommy.
Out there is evil. My son is vulnerable. He's nowhere to be found. No phone calls, no messages. He just blocked everybody. And you expect me to be quiet, isn't it?
But Mom, Mommy, Afamefula is a big boy. He can take care of himself. He was just gone for a few days. Are you acting like he's gone? You acting like he's not coming back again? Mother, please, can you stop crying already?
Do you know why you're saying this? Do you know why you're talking like this? Because you've not cuddled or carried your own child. I missed my son. I missed my son so much. I am missing him. I want to know where he is. I want to ask him what he gets to eat. I want to cuddle my son.
Mom, stop crying. He's coming back very soon.
When?
Very soon.
That's the problem. Time isn't an enemy here. A big one.
Mommy, don't worry.
When is he coming? When will I see him?
Really soon.
How is he doing? I need to know. It's my son,
I know.
It's my only son.
He's my brother.
I want my son back home.
It's fine, please. Stop.
What?
Stop crying, Mom.
Sandra. Yes? I noticed something recently. I noticed that you like Mr. Henry. Like, really? Yes, really. Listen, I don't have a problem with that. Not at all.
Well? Okay, fine. I like him. I like him. Mr. Henry is just my kind of man. He's cool, he's calm. But I don't want to have issues with you, my sister and my friend.
No. I don't have a problem with it at all. I don't. I'm even hoping he reciprocates the likeness. Okay? I would really love it for you two to be together.
For real?
Yes, I don't have a problem.
Ifunanya, you're so sweet.
I know. That's why I called Ifunanya. 1-6 for Mr. Henry. Another 6 for Sandra.
Like for real?
No, but I can see the look on your face.
So you are in XS3?
Like I said before, I'm about writing my final exam.
Oh, okay, that's good. That's good. You must be a brilliant girl. I must confess you are beautiful and brilliant too.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You are going home now?
Yes, I have to.
Okay. Let me escort you to your house because of all these bad boys. That's if you don't mind.
It's fine. But you won't get to our compound, please. I have a very disciplined sister.
No problem. If you say so, it's okay by me.
It's okay by you.
It's okay by me. Okay. That's good.
you.
So tell me, how's school? How have you been coping with school?
It's normal, though, but to be with some kind of... It's fine.
I know. You know, educational system these days. It takes a brilliant girl like you to know.
Yes, hello, Agafam. Good afternoon. I'm fine. You didn't go to work today? You don't have strength. Sorry about that. Yes, I can hear you. What favor? I should bring food to you. Okay, I will, but on one condition. You can't keep me in your house for too long. I need to be back to the shop immediately so that my madam don't start looking for me.
No problem.
Your favorite food, right? I know. Okay, I will. Alright, just text me the address. I'll find my way there. Okay?
Okay now, no problem. I did wait. I'll wait for you.
Alright, see you soon. Bye.
Thank you. Yeah, bye.
Okay, well, you have to stop there. Thank you so much for escorting me back.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Okay, but you did not tell me your name.
My name is Abigail.
Abigail.
Abigail, A-B-I-G-A-I-L. Abigail Obasi.
It rhyme now. Abigail and Abigail. Now the same father them.
That's so funny. So, what about you? What's your name?
Okay. My name is Chidozie Obodo.
Chidozie.
Oh yes, I am the special advisor.
Special advisor to...
Not mine.
It's fine. It's alright. So where are you from?
Where am I from? I am from far kingdom. Very far away.
Far kingdom. Very far away. Where?
Amanato kingdom.
Wow. Amanato kingdom.
Oh yes.
I've heard so much about that place. Like,
Minute.
you have a very rich king and a very handsome young queen. Am I right?
You are correct and right at the same time.
I said it. Yeah. It's fine. So, what are you doing around here? Like, this whole place?
How's it, you know? I am here to hustle.
Hustle?
Uh-huh.
What hustle?
And my hustle doesn't sound sweet in the mouth.
Okay, but I still want to hear it.
Okay, you still want to know?
Yes.
Okay. I'm a conductor.
Wow.
I am as in bus conductor.
Hey, it's fair. At least you are being real with me.
Okay. It's okay by you?
Yes, I'm happy about it.
Okay.
Yes. Well, anyways, thank you.
Okay.
I have to go. Okay?
It's okay.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
So
Take care of
much.
yourself. Oh, it's okay. Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Okay. Take care of yourself.
Bye.
Achakwala okwu n'ụzọ. Ịghọtago? Onye chọọ gị okwu daa ahịa wetara m. Mana ọ bụrụ onye amị ma ọ bụrụ bouncer, gị na-settle in peace. Don't refer to trouble. Okay, some other time. I should not even get food. I remember. Well, I will still see you. Okay.
I need to quickly deliver this food to a customer.
A customer?
Yes, I need to deliver the food right away. Where? His house.
His house?
Why are you shouting?
He?
Just calm down. I need to give him the food now. I just need you to help me take care of the shop until I get back. Alright?
So this person, he cannot even come here to eat or even send someone?
He's busy at the moment. I said I'll be back now. I won't waste time. In case Madam asks for me, tell her I'll be back soon.
Hey, if Nanya, we're not running home delivery now. Better be careful.
This food not die. What's happened?
See,
You want to kill me, Abi?
I wash hand and cook am.
You want to kill me, Abi?
I wash my hand and cook this.
How you tell no sir like pepper?
I just don't say you two like food.
Sir, they sweat for nose.
I'm glad you enjoyed the
Thank
food.
you, Jerry. Food makes sense.
Sorry, I want to ask you something.
What's up? What's up?
Why were you so rude to that girl that day?
I bet leave that matter. No vex. I don't want to go down that ugly memory lane. I don't want to discuss them.
Sorry, maybe I shouldn't have asked.
No, nothing there now. You already asked me. I just tell you. One rubbish girl. You know, where I dey consider so okay, my girlfriend. You understand? I go out, she go carry man enter this house.
Huh?
I am telling you, I go out to this boss that you're looking at to fend for her, myself, and Chidozie. And she'll be sleeping with men here. She even slept with a neighbor. I am serious. I'm telling you the honest truth. You know, girl wey beside you looks okay. As I say, man, don't they old? Make I dey serious with my life. If things work out, I take her to go see my parents. Not doing this kind of thing.
No, that's not good at all. That's not good. Anyway, I need to start going. I even forgot to ask you, don't you have a pot? Stove, gas, anything you use in cooking? I can see a stove, but where's your pot?
I get pot.
Of course you have a pot. So why don't you cook? Why do you always come to the shop to come and eat?
Now long story.
Which one is a long story? You always come to the shop to come and eat, and I can see that you have a stove. So why don't you cook?
Now still long story.
Ali, wait. Don't tell me you don't know how to cook.
I dey try. I dey boil water now.
Huh? No, what?
Calm down. I can boil water and I can boil yam. Yam, just sprinkle salt. I get by.
The king when I born yesterday said they boil water, they boil yam. So I don't understand.
That's why I see I dey come your side. I just tell, okay, I'm not a great cook. I didn't learn these things growing up. Don't look at me like that now. I feel bad. Oh, stop.
Because I want you to feel bad.
And you dey judge me with your eye. I don't like it.
Okay. But I want you to start making your own food. Since you have a pot, you have a stove. I mean, all you need to do is just get ingredients from the market and make a good meal rather than coming to the shop every day to spend money.
Not true you talk. Don't say they talk and say Mama put on the belly for person. You can't cook your own.
That's why you come every day. But it has to stop.
When our food they make sense like that. Chai!
Alright. when next I come here, I'll make something for you.
You're doing it?
Hey!
Swallow! You're good for me.
No.
Hug me now. Nobody can because. Thank you.
I need to go for my madam starts speaking.
Wait now. I go work out you now, show. See you. Don't forget your cooler. I did your back. Just I know drop it so. I drop it.
Where is Ifunanya?
She went for a home delivery.
I actually came to check on someone around the neighborhood. So let me come and check on you. See how you're doing. It's okay. Your mom, where is she?
Well, my mom is at home. She's resting while we take care of business today.
Fantastic. Okay, I'll be going. But please, tell her that I came, okay?
Okay, I will. After her.
Take care of yourself.
Alright. Bye.
Every man's choice. I don't want classic in fashion. What I want is love. Love. I don't want classic in fashion. What I want is love. Love. I don't want classic in fashion. What I want is love. Love. I don't want classic in fashion. What I want is love. Love. She's a blessing in disguise. When you look deeply, you will know. It's written all over her. Oh, her price is more than ruby. She's a vicious woman, a wife material. She's a vicious woman, searching for true love. But she said, I don't want classic in fashion. Not at all. What I want is love. True love. Love. True love. I don't want classic in fashion. What I want is love. Love. I don't want classic in fashion. She wants true love. What I want is love. She don't want fashion. Love. I don't want classic in fashion. What I want is love. Every man's choice. Mama the love you need. Mama be you are every man's choice. She's not a fashion designer, but a home builder. Anywhere she enter, people gonna know that a model will have gone. Ambitious woman, not classic in fashion, but model in character. Madam Nabi, Amarichamwa, every man's choice. Imanini Musa. I don't want classic in fashion. What I want is love. Love. I don't want classic in fashion. What I want is love. Love. I don't want classic in fashion. What I want is love. Love. I don't want classic in fashion. What?
I remember the guy. My God. It's back at the center of it.
You can say that again.
welcome.
You look worried. What's the problem?
I am supposed to be worried.
Why are you worried?
You have practically refused to get married to me. And my contract that I have put virtually all my time in processing it, the king is not giving me a positive response. This whole thing has been giving me sleepless night.
Mr. Henry, first off, I did not turn you down. I didn't reject your offer. I said I needed time to think about it.
And for how long?
You know what? Let me have your hands.
My hands?
Yes, your hands. I speak fortune. I speak success. And I speak positivity into your life.
And I will say amen to that.
And God would definitely honor that prayer. Just believe.
Well, I don't just know. I feel relieved right now.
I will check your food. I'm sure it's ready.
I'm waiting.
This girl, Funanya, I'm suddenly developing feelings for her. Could she be the one? Something tells me that she's the one. She's kind, she is beautiful, she is homely, she is just everything that I've been looking for. Let me not rush. Let me give this some time, just so that I am sure that she's the one. But what I can tell is that she's well groomed. What I can tell is that she's got good values and home training. Ifunanya Chukwu, are you the one?
My prince.
I'm not your prince.
Sorry,
I'm not your prince.
Ogafam.
What is wrong with you?
Why
are you having a hard time taking in simple information?
I am sorry.
What's my name?
Everybody knows Ogafam. Ogafam.
What is it?
Thank you. There is something I have been meaning to tell you.
Is that so?
Yes. You see, this thing has given me sleepless night. In fact, as a matter of fact, I have thought about it over and over again. I said, today I must vomit it out to you.
Okay, I'm listening.
Aha. Okay. It's about Ifunanya. Yes, it's about her.
Okay, what about her?
You see, ever since she started coming to this house, I have been watching her closely, monitoring her. I have taken a closer look at her. I said, therefore, she is beautiful. She is good looking. She is hardworking. She's a good girl. But I don't think she will be good for you.
Why?
A local girl from one local restaurant? No, that one, no, it no go work. It no balance at all. It no even gel at all. Let me ask you, what will His Majesty say? A girl without class? Without a surname? What a name No. If not fine, she fine, no doubt about it. But she can't befit a queen. Oh yes.
I've heard you.
Now that you've heard me, we can be using her for our house chores, like washing, cooking, even cleaning the house While you keep looking for those big girls, as in not like that Tina and the other girl that disappeared to the moon, all in the name of shopping.
She doesn't shut up. You don't have sense.
I'm sorry, my prince. It is just a harmless suggestion.
Stop suggesting to me. You don't have sense. You want me to use an innocent girl as a puppet to wash, clean, cook. Why? Because you're a prince.
God forbid.
And should be taken care of.
God forbid. No, you are the prince. You are the prince.
Shut up. Stop shouting.
Okay, sorry. I am only a personal aid and special advisor.
Stop advising. Going forward, you're my brother. You can pass as my brother, as a cousin, not as an advisor. You don't have sense.
No. Edalia, you failed it woefully. No. I was ordained by Ezemo to be your personal aid and special advisor at the same time. No. You cannot sack me just like that. Adememe. You failed it woefully.
Get up.
Woefully.
Get up.
Okay.
Get out. Out. Go back to your room.
Okay. I'm happy you said let you think. Think about it. Yeah? I know you wanted to think what I told you.
She does, yeah.
Sir? Think about it. Yeah? Think about it.
I don't want classic in fashion. What I want is love. I don't want classic in fashion. What I want is love. I don't want classic in fashion. What I want is love. She's a blessing in disguise. When you look deeply, you will know. It's written all over her. Oh, her price is more than ruby.
I want to go to market and buy goat meat. I'll be back soon, okay? If Naya. Oh, what is wrong with you? I've been calling you and you're not responding. Are you okay?
Yes. Of course
You're fine.
I'm fine. I'm okay. Sorry.
If Nanya, what is wrong with you? Ever since you started visiting this your invisible boyfriend, you've not been the same girl. What is wrong with you?
I don't know what you're talking about. What's invisible boyfriend?
The one you've been visiting.
I don't have a boyfriend.
Okay. It's okay. One day, you still open your mouth to tell me that you have a boyfriend. It's fine. I want to go and buy goat meat.
Go and buy goat meat.
I'll be back soon. I saw you doing like this. Doing like this. Make sure you don't fall low. And fall inside this water. I don't have strength to fetch water. I will not do it though.
Sandra, what kind of... I don't know. This. Was I smiling? I was not smiling, no.
Abigail, Abimwa. Come here, come.
You come over here.
No, you don't expect us to be talking on the road. What if it's risky? Come over to this side, eh? Oh? Aha. Come. Abimwa. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Well, okay. Without telling me, I know that you're fine. Actually, I was standing here waiting for you to pass. At least for me to talk to you. Huh?
It's fine, Shao. Well, I'm just coming out from my elder sister's working place.
You mean her office?
No, not office. She sells food for someone that local restaurant down the road.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Do you mean Mary's restaurant? The place I normally go to eat?
Mary's restaurant. Yes. Do you know her?
Thank you, Mr. Teresa Tawamon. Thank you, Mr. Teresa. Atawamon.
Is there any problem?
No, not at all. No problem. Not at all.
You're acting weird, though. That's what I'm asking.
No, I am all right. Eh? You cannot go. You can go.
Are you sure you're okay?
I'm fine. Eh? You can go. You can go.
Oh, Sir Henry, it's been long you visited.
Yeah, I've been busy with work lately.
Oh, that's exactly what we're praying for, you know, so that we can be positively busy.
Oh, it's good to be here again.
You're welcome.
Madam, I actually came to make my intentions known to you about your daughter, Sandra.
Eh? Sandra?
Yeah, actually, madam, a friend dear to me directed me to your house to let you know my intentions in making your daughter my wife. I think I love her.
Hey! Sir, just hold on. Sandra! Mama! Sandra, please come. Come fast.
Mama, you have a visitor.
Yes, so...
Mr. Henry, you're welcome.
Yeah. How are you, Sandra?
I'm fine, I'm okay. And you?
I'm fine.
You're welcome.
My daughter, the reason I called you out here is that Oga Henry here said he loves you and wants to make you his wife.
Really?
So, what's the decision to that?
Well, Mama, I accept.
Wow.
You accept?
Yes, Mama.
Wonderful.
Oga Henry, you've heard from the horse's mouth. She said yes.
And I'm indeed very happy.
So I can now go ahead to inform her uncles.
Okay. No problem. I will return back for the proper arrangement with my people also.
Oh, wonderful.
Well, Sandra.
Yes?
I have to take my leave now.
Okay.
See you soon.
I don't even know why my body is biting me. I don't know why I am worried. What is my problem? It's her life now. Oh, it's her life. She wants to get into a man's car. So, what? What can I do about it? Look at me sitting down here, talking to myself like a mad person. It's her life. Why was I even thinking that she's different? Women, they are all the same. Vipers. That's what they are. Social climbers. Stupid people. They are all the same. Women. All of them vipers. Nonsense and ingredients.
My dress.
What?
This one you are here all alone, talking to yourself. I hope all is well.
Well, I don't know if all is well. I'm here. Try very hard to mind my business. I hold myself together. But I don't know why my body just keeps vibrating on its own. My body just keeps moving. I don't know.
I don't understand. Mind your business. How?
Now, okay, don't annoy me by asking me questions. Now, what is it? If you have nothing to say, just go inside. Please, let me have my alone time.
Okay, I want to discuss something with you.
What do you want to discuss?
Okay.
You're sitting down.
Oh, sorry. Mistake.
Right, sit down. Talk. Talk. Let's end this thing. Now, what is it?
It's about that waitress, the one that sells food.
What now?
Okay. I know I once told you not to ever think of dating or marrying her. That she's not your class. I was absolutely wrong by saying that, my prince. Let me tell you, in this life, you don't need to downgrade people because of tomorrow. Amurameji. Oh yes. See, even if they are not your class or your type, my prince, we have the money and every resources to bring her up to your class. So, you were right in condemning my advice.
Come, Chidozie, why the sudden change of mind? Why? You see why I've asked you to stop advising me? You're an idiot. Why the change of mind? You don't know. Stay out of my business. Stay right now. I'm not interested in any waitress. I'm not interested in anybody. Just leave me alone.
I mean Ifunanya. Ifunanya.
That's what I there. That's why I got there. If I what? So what? No sense.
I said you were right in condemning me. I applaud you.
I thought you were not at home.
At home?
Why do I have this feeling that you blocked my line? And you haven't been to our shop in days.
Are they busy? Miss about the find money. Are they find money? I need to stop nonsense. I need to stop insults. Are they find money? Nonsense. As for the phone, now let's walk. Leave me.
Listen, the only reason I came here is because I had the urge to tell you that not all women are what you think they are. And why are you going on tapping your legs? I'm here to explain something to you. I don't even know why I'm here in the first place. I don't know why I'm bothered. I don't know why I even have...
I don't know why you bother yourself. Why you bother yourself? I don't know why you bother yourself. What happened? You want to kill me? Listen, I don't know why you bother. It's your life. Alright? Do with it as you wish. It's your life. You want to kill me? Nonsense girl. Jealousy want to finish me. Jealousy want to kill me. Like a shopping. For my heart. You want to kill me? Wait. Nonsense girl.
think we're in love.
What you talk? Hey! Oh!
We are in love.
My chest don't pain me. Ah! 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 Mr. Waiting.
We are in love.
Hi! What you talk? My chest they pain me. What you talk? Huh? What did you say? Say it again because I think so too. Ah, I can't believe I just said that. Why are you not crying now? Why are you crying? Stop crying. You can't say something as beautiful as that and then you're crying.
The man you saw yesterday, Mr. Henry, is nothing but a friend.
That man. That man.
I have nothing going on with him.
Oh, please stop.
He's a man that has been asking me out in different ways, but I have refused. I don't know why I'm here, but the only reason I came to you is to bail my innocent heart. The man gave me a check of 3 million naira just to say thank you because I wished him good luck on a contract he put in. I have nothing going on with him. I rejected the money he gave to me.
You rejected 3 million? Like, you reject 3 million?
What are you thinking? What in God's name is wrong with you? You think all women are the same? Some women are just out there to get their broken hearts mended.
You reject 3 million?
Some women are out there to find happiness. Some women are out there to find a man who truly loves them.
Hey! Hey!
Family, you don't know.
Hey!
You have no idea what I have been through. I have been broken, shattered, battered by the same men I showed true love. Men who I cared for genuinely. Men I gave my heart. What did I get in return? Awful heartbreak. Heartbreak without mercy.
Whew.
That was when I decided not to go into any relationship anymore. I decided I wanted to be a woman of my own because men are heartless. Men are wicked. You wouldn't know what they are, their intentions are until they unleash their devilish side.
Ifunanya. Ifunanya.
Ifunanya Chukwu is my real name.
Ifunanya Chukwu. I see you. Not with my eyes anymore, but with my soul. Oh my God, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for all that you have been through. I'm sorry for the words that I used to misjudge. You don't cry. Stop crying.
I don't know why I'm saying all this to you.
What are you saying? What do you want to say? Shh. Stop. Oh! She's the one. She's the one. Ifunanya Chukwu. Ah! You're the one. Don't move. Don't move. I'll be right back. Don't move.
Beauty is in the eyes of behold. One name, God's beauty is inside. When you want to see beauty, you must sacrifice and relax your mind.
Ifunanya Chukwu, please. Please. I feel it in my spirit that you are the one. Please say yes and put an end to this quest. It's a ring. It's a fine ring. Ifunanya.
This is a ring, Afa.
The ring makes sense. Die.
This is an expensive ring. Where did you get the money? You're just a bus driver.
I am just a bus driver that I've been saving all my life, waiting for a woman who is worth the beauty of this ring. Ifunanya Chukwu, you are the treasure that I have sought all my life, and you're this treasure that I have found. You're this treasure that I am going to cherish for the rest of my life. If you agree to be my wife, Ifunanya Chukwu, Akamodi Nenu, I'm on my knees asking that you do not turn me away. Pico, I want to be your man. I want to be your husband. Will you marry me?
I can't marry you. But I want to be your soulmate. Your companion. Your better half.
Huh?
The mother of your children. Yes, I'm married.
Hey! 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 Jesus Sobotu Akidio. Odironye dikagi. Eze nifega sobwemo. Nadini kamanamo. Ah! Thank you, baby. Thank you.
Hello. Hi. Somebody tell me why she's this excited. Okay. Take a look. Wow. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Thank you. So where did you get this ring? Hope you didn't steal it.
Steal what? A ring? Forget it. Sis, I am getting married to Henry.
Shut up.
It's true, baby. Yes, baby.
Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Yes, my love.
I love it. Thank you. Oh, congratulations.
Thank you, baby.
He just proposed yesterday and I said yes to my Henry. Okay. Well, I said yes, 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 not too long ago. Like for real? For real. Okay, fine. Who is that from? What is wrong with you, the bus driver? bus driver? That is where my heart belongs. Okay. Alright, don't worry, missus. I am so happy for you. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for us. Okay. It's just so strange how our names look alike. I'm telling you. This stone is bigger than mine, but mine shines bright like that. It's so beautiful. I know. See, I almost lost my breath when he gave me that I'm happy for both of you. Thank you, Mama. So you girls were engaged just at the same time. Yes, Mom.
In fact, you just reminded me of my own time.
Wow.
Nobody engage you with this kind of ring.
I'm
also.
telling
We cannot
you.
remand you of your own time.
Lilo.
You didn't give me nylon. What is wrong with you?
It's true now.
Just fold it. Because let me hear something. If like you say your sister is from Amanato Kingdom, a bus driver.
Yes, Mama.
Anyway, if you're happy with him and his occupation, I can't say anything to that. So, as long as he can take care of you, feed you well, all is good. As for food, the shop is almost like your own. So you can always run back to the shop and get something to feed him.
Mama, thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you for everything you've done for me and my sister. Thank you.
But don't forget, it's all for us.
All for us.
I'm so happy, Fat. I can't measure my joy. Just give me a hug.
Now that we are seated here, I would like to say something. I don't even know how to say it or how to put it, but I have to say it. I just want to apologize to you guys. Yes, especially you, Alpha. I'm so sorry. I am very sorry the way I treated you. This is not me. Yes, it's not me. I'm not like this, I promise. I did all that because the nature of our job, just the nature of our job, people see us as those girls, and I know that I did it to protect my sister, no hard feelings. I love my sister so much. I was doing all that to protect her. That's all. I'm truly sorry.
It's fine. It's okay. I will forgive you. It's okay.
For real?
For real. It's fine.
Listen, we accept your apology. And trust me, I found this not so hard-hearted. He has forgiven me. When he says something, he means it. I know you were trying everything to look out for, and I really appreciate that. Since he says he has forgiven me, he has. Am I right?
Come on. Stop crying. Look at you.
Thank you so much.
It's okay. Hey. Sandra, it's fine. And it's even a good thing that you came here today. I was surprised to see that.
I want to say thank you so much. I know everything you did for me. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Okay, like, we are friends now, right?
Of course, we're friends.
Like.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I'm grateful.
Thank you so much. Meanwhile, I have something very important to discuss with you. Come on.
Right now. Oh yes. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Are you? But we have. Greetings. You're welcome.
Oni, I'm very sorry. I was on an international call. I should have been here before now. Okay? Calm down. I'm sorry. Sorry.
It's okay. I'm forgiving you. Baji.
Oni, this guy's face looks familiar. I think I know him. We once boarded a flight. He's a prince.
Who?
What is the same flight?
Afam, a prince. Honey, please just stop it. People look alike. What are you saying? How can Afam be a prince? A bus driver.
I mean the conductor.
I don't understand. Is Afam a prince?
For what purpose?
Afam is not a prince now. He's just the bus driver.
Okay.
Stop, John.
Maybe you just look like the person I'm talking to.
Yeah, maybe look alike or something.
Excuse me, I'll see you outside.
Is all well?
Yeah, almost well.
Excuse me.
Afam is Afam is not a prince.
Yes.
See you
He
later.
can never be a prince. Never.
What is it?
Okay, so
What is this? What?
this is 250,000 naira. It's my life savings. I want you to have it. I want you to add it to the money you used to come and pay my bride price.
Hey.
Please.
You eh?
Take it.
Okay, wait. Nah, wait.
You don't want it?
You see this money? First, I want to say thank you. I really appreciate you. Plenty. For thinking of this. But keep the money. I no need them. I go fit do this thing by myself.
Afam, you don't understand. I'm not lending you the money. I want you to have it. It's for free. You're not paying me back.
I know. Not before our marriage.
Yes.
Such a go make me and you happy. I go feel done now. No, I go run around. I'm an IBO. Get some things we be saying man supposed to do on their own. I go run around. I go fight. I go hustle. I go do it. I don't tell you that they can see your people. I'm going to come. I don't make promises and fail. No. Don't worry. Keep this money, please.
Okay, you can just
You know what? Hold the money. For us. I promise you that if need be, we will be needing this money. You bring it back. But for now, just hold it for us. But do you know what I find even more special about this moment? The thought behind this act. It means that you have been thinking about us. Thank you so much. I'll never forget this one, Ifunanya.
Lorena. It's bon. Thank you. Just keep it now. Keep it. Where did you bring this money out from? What? Alright, put it back. Put it back.
You don't have to look.
Act back. I help you. I'm not looking. Am I looking?
I've kept it.
Thank you.
You're a duplex in one of the estates in the city.
Wow.
I will have my lawyer sign all the documents tomorrow.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. You have a big heart. Thank you. But Mr. Henry, there's something I want to say. And please don't take it wrongly. I really appreciate your kindness. But the truth is that I will not really be needing the duplex.
Do you know what you are talking about? I am not asking you to rent the place. I am giving it out to you, everything in your name.
I understand. I just feel that some other persons in need would need it more. You know, we have orphanages. You know, you can donate it to one of the orphanages in town.